Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Microsoft Office 365 subscription. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Go to the official Microsoft website. Sign in to your Microsoft account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Services and Subscriptions section. Click on Services and Subscriptions to view your active subscriptions. Find the Microsoft Office 365 subscription you want to cancel. Click on the Manage button next to the subscription. You will be directed to a new page with subscription details. Look for the option that says Cancel Subscription. Click the Cancel Subscription link. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation to cancel. Review any information about cancellation terms or benefits you might lose. If you're sure you want to proceed, confirm the cancellation by clicking Yes. After confirmation, you should receive a notification that check your email for a confirmation message regarding the cancellation. Your subscription will remain active until the end of the billing cycle. Remember to uninstall Office 365 if you no longer wish to use it. That's it. You've successfully canceled your Microsoft Office 365 subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.